B is, as you know, is preventable as well as it is treatable. Though the treatment per patient is about 200,000 rupees in Pakistani currency, and with interferon and with the injections and all other medications which are now available there. But that is again out of reach of poor population, which is mainly infected by this particular disease. And can I have my slides, please? You have them?
Yeah, there are.
There are. I will skip over and just to get you through a drill, because when we were involved in October, this issue.
Full screen. Yeah, there.
Actually, this mic is not functioning. I'm sorry, you could not listen properly. So when we were involved, as Iqbal told us, that not Dr. but Raza is very kind that he organized a small meeting. This was a brainstorming meeting in Dubai, and where Iqbal could not come, but I was there, and so we could communicate, and we decided that we should launch a program. Meanwhile, the government of Pakistan and government of Sindh have also started their programs, and the program, government has given a lot of money there, but again, very unfortunately, they are not very effectively being done. We have found few difficulties in that program. I'll take you. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry.